He's got one shoe on and one shoe off. It's Moongly Joe, that's true. That's me!
Moongly Joe! Yes!
I'm gonna burp the alphabet. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, here I go. Also, it's in one breath burp thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, S, Z. Yo, I burped A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, N, T, U, V, N, W, X, and Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? But if you want to subscribe to my videos, I will be so glad to we also become my friend, and I will like that till the end. This is a song that's hard to do because it's like singing to Piece of Poo. Lots of cheese for you. Actually, never mind, I'll keep the cheese, 'cause that might taste real good.